What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. I am super excited because I just picked up a 2007 fully equipped Chevy Tahoe, and boy, did I had to get into a bidding war to win that thing. But before we get to that, let me show you Security Boy's car. He added the Satina push bar. Did he seriously zip tie this thing on? That won't last. Looks like he added some interior random lighting on the mirror beams. I wish he would have took the time to make it straight at least, and at least bolt it down all the way. Oh, and look, he put dual Avengers in the rear. And he added all this unnecessary antennas. This kid's got a lot to learn, man. Jeez. Come here, puppy. So somebody came and dropped off this dog right here. He's very scary, but I've been trying to win his trust. What's your name? Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Here she is, a 2007 Chevy Tahoe, formerly owned by the fire department. She is a fully loaded 5.3 liter V8 beast with light, sirens, radios, and antennas, which I'll show you guys here in just a bit. It's not often I come across a fully functioning ex-government vehicle. I don't know how this fell through the cracks. It must have been my lucky day. I'm going to try and figure out what it was used for. And of course, we're gonna search for goodies. So let's go. There's lights behind the grille. I counted 4 so far. There's a light under the side mirror here. We have a wheel-in LED spotlight on both sides. There's also lights hiding behind the tent right here, which I'll light up for you guys here in just a bit. There's a thin green line sticker. Give a thumbs up to all the military, law enforcement, firefighters, and all the first responders out there. We really appreciate you guys for all your brave, selfless service. There's all the necessary antennas on the roof. Looks like the unit number was peeled off. Let's take a quick look inside. There's so many goodies. Let's take a quick look in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna tour the vehicle from the front and work my way to the back. Now, most of these work, but they are out of range, so you'll hear some chatter here every once in a while, especially from this Bearcats. There's a smart siren controller, but there's no stickers on it, so I don't really know what is what. There's a tough book here. This is actually the first time I'm going to try booting this thing up, and she works. There's 2 Kenwood radios here. One of these radios turn on when it wants to. Unfortunately, there's no key to this box here. I'll have to pick the lock later. All right, let's start this bad girl up. She has 120,000 miles. Not bad for a Tahoe. Let's check under the hood. The motor sounds very good. It's clean, dirty, but clean. Oh, there's the speaker. It's a Code 3 Dynamax. And there's a wheel-in Vertex. Come on, man, turn back on. Alright, guys, let me demonstrate the lights. Oh, yeah, look at that. She is one sexy ass beast. There's the traffic advisor. Look, she's flirting with me. There's headlight flashers. Oh, I am hypnotized. All right, let me demo the sounds. Damn, that's loud. Love it. All right, let's put it on code 1. So there's no lights in the front. Only the rear lights are flashing. Okay. Let's go to code 2. Okay, so right here there's 2 steady burn red lights. Looks like it's flashing on my camera, but it's actually not. And lights in the rear are all flashing. Okay. Code 3 is all the lights going crazy. Okay, let's take a look in the back. There's some sort of amplifier, a fire extinguisher, of course. Man, this box is bugging me. What if it's full of biscuits? Question mark? All right, let's open up the trunk or the back. There's this ugly wheeling edge light bar. I wonder if it was on this Tahoe. I sure hope not, because it would probably ruin it all, in my opinion. Oh, look, it's broken. Hope I didn't break it. There's chem tape. Oh, wow. Camouflage in here is a shotgun lock mount. Shopping cart safety seat is to strap those really bad, out of control kids. Let's look over here. There's some sort of tools. So the lights are from 911 EP. The flashing lights in the back are from Wheeling, and the traffic advisor is from Federal Signal. Nice. I just love these magnetic mic clips. Doggy first aid. Oh, look at that poor baby. Speaking of dogs, I got this sweet canine unit that I also bought. I'm going to be making a video on that here very soon. There's a ticket book thingy. Seriously, like, shout out to whoever was too lazy to remove all this equipment. Hey. He said, come out of here.